All right, roller skaters. Ah, what's he doing? We are in downtown Sarasota. I'm gonna just pan around to show you the area down by the Bayfront. And we're doing a little roller skate through the Sarasota Bayfront Park area just to show y'all what this is like. So this is downtown Sarasota, Florida, and Kevin's leading the way. I'm trying not to trip over the cracks in the sidewalk, but this, just so you know, there's a big sidewalk, very smooth. You know, there's just a few cracks like always with sidewalks, or most of the time, I guess, but it's a really nice area to skate. If you ever want to come visit Florida, it's a beautiful place. So this is where there's a lot of boats over here, sailboats and everything, as you can see in the bay. And we're gonna go down through the park. Oh, fancy. Well, you got some tricks? Got something to show us? Heely wheelies, looks like. Heely wheelies. Heel manuals. Here we go. Oh yeah, there's sailboats over here. Beautiful, beautiful park. So this is down by the marina. There's a couple restaurants over here. O'Leary's is the little tiki hut restaurant. There's a bunch of sailboats out there. And on the other side of this Bayfront Park is Marina Jack, which is more of a luxury, I guess, dinner restaurant. Well, I guess you could do lunch there too, but it's a little higher end. And this is Sarasota Bayfront Park. Ooh. All right, so we're going into the Bayfront Park. Beautiful day to be outside.
Always watching so many dogs here.
Yeah.
Beautiful shepherd.
Beautiful shepherd. Is that Belgian shepherd? Beautiful dog.
You got some water here.
A little bit of water, but not much. Just a little. You can see all the boats over here. This is the marina. Every kind of boat you could probably ever see. Big boats, little boats, yachts, fishing boats. Here's the park over here. Oftentimes, especially earlier in the day, there are like yoga classes or other exercise classes outdoors here in the park. There's a little water park up there for the kids. We'll go around on the other side of that. Kevin's trucking along. So Sarasota's on the west coast of Florida, just a little bit south of Tampa and St. Petersburg. It's a beautiful town. Lots of beautiful beaches and water, boating, kayaking, and of course roller skating. Woo-hoo. Look at all these beautiful banyan trees here. My goodness, they're gorgeous. All right, Kevin's taken off, but I just want to pan around the park here. And off we go. There he is. Look at this beautiful sailboat. Whew. All right, church bells are ringing. What time is it? 11 o'clock. Look at those yachts over there, my goodness. Some of those yachts are bigger than most houses I've ever lived in. Woo, yeah, look at that. Yeah, massive yachts. And that building there with the blue-green glass is Marina Jack, the restaurant at the marina. Party place and bar and all that. All right, so now we're coming to the end of this little island. Well, it's not really an island. They call it city. Well, it's city, what's it called? Bayfront Park. Yeah, I get it confused with City Island, but that's something else. But look at this beautiful fountain sculpture with dolphins. Really cool. And then back to Marina Jack. And you go all the way around the end of this park. Over there is, I believe that's Golden Gate, that neighborhood. Yeah. And then beyond it, you can see the bridge, right? The Ringling Bridge. That's the John Ringling Bridge, which is the big bridge over there. I think we'll see it a little better when we come around on the other side here, get a better view. Yeah. So if you're ever looking for a place to visit, it's a fun place to visit. But check out the Ringling Bridge over there, if you can see that. All sorts of people out kayaking, fishing, lots of sailboats out here. It's a beautiful park. Look at this beautiful park. Plenty of shade, hang out in, bring a picnic or whatever, bring your dog. Our dog's aggressive with other dogs, so we don't bring her out to the park unless we're by her, by ourselves. But if your dog is friendly, bring them on out. Lots of smooth concrete to skate. And this is only one little part of Sarasota, Florida. Ooh. Hello. Beautiful area through here. It's so smooth and like a curvy, fluid sidewalk. And if people who live on sailboats a lot of times hang out here in this little bay, because it's very tranquil, generally, or more tranquil than a lot of places, I guess. So people will be hanging out on their sailboats here. And then over here we have the water park. Let's take a look. Like a little splash pad. There's no one here right now. Is it open? I don't know if it's open. But anyway, that's for the kiddos to play in the water when it's open. And then there's a little playground over here as well. Kevin's doing lots of jumping, showing off for everybody. So we're gonna keep trying to make like short videos about this area. That's the playground.
A lot of art around here too.
Yeah, there's always like a lot of art, sculptures, and then there's like this bicycle artist person here that keeps putting these bicycles that have been decorated all over the city. And this is O'Leary's, which is like the little tiki bar, restaurant, bar. It's a little more casual. Nice place to hang out. Just bite to eat, something to drink. And you got the bathrooms. Yeah, we just want to make these little videos. There's some native plants showing y'all the area. So in case you're ever in the area, if you're looking for a place to visit, to vacation, places where you can roller skate and get in the water and the sunshine, this is a great place to check out. So anyway, we're coming back up to the entrance of the Bayfront Park here, and we're gonna wrap it up. So say goodbye, Kevin. Until the next time, goodbye from sunny Sarasota, Florida. Woo.